Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So starting off with Euro USD as we usually do. Yesterday we looked at this and it could be a retest, but a very deep retest into the flag, and that's exactly what's happened. And now we are rallying again. We do have diversions, we do have a crossover now on the oscillator, so everything is pointing towards a move to the upside right now. But, and there's always a but in these markets, we could also be fooled to believe that it's a flag, and meanwhile it's a big megaphone formation. So take it with a pinch of salt at the moment. What we should be looking at is delete that. That would be a decent entry. 109.107. I'd want to see a pullback onto that for an opportunity to buy into this, but if you look at what happened yesterday, this was down, up, sideways, in amongst moving averages. Nothing really going on, but we do have a fairly decent crossover at the moment on the moving averages. So, typically if you come down to the 15-minute, you should see structure here. So there's my first bit of structure. You can see it's fairly strong from yesterday, and then you can basically pick any of these tails of yesterday for us to look for the opportunity to buy. The gap close here was definitely a decent opportunity, but no real decent structure there, just below the level. But anyway, that is kind of my view here. We're looking for an opportunity to buy, but we're looking to buy off some structure, and the structure is lower down. Keep those stops tight though on that. Moving on to US dollar Japanese yen. Pretty much sideways. You can see up, down, up, down, up, down there for yesterday. And if we just get down to the hour, you're going to see the same thing that's happening on Euro USD. A little bit concerned about this one. Don't think I want to be jumping in on this until I get a decent break. The trend to the upside is really tight, so I don't want to keep chasing that right now. And then anything moves to downside seems to get bought at the moment, so I think I will sit on the sides for now. Moving on to the pound, British pound, Japanese yen, similar kind of situation brewing here. Look how overbought we are. Nothing really on the 8 hours that's indicating anything for us. And if I drill down to the hours, same scenario as US dollar Japanese yen, all over the place here. Looks like it's going to be moving to the upside, but we are extremely tired, so I'm not entirely convinced that that's the way that I need to be trading on this one. So again, if you drop down to 15 minutes, it'll give you a bit of a clearer structure. You can see there's a channel break there, break up. So moves, pullbacks should be bought, but there are, I think there are gaps here. Let me just check here. No, that's not a gap. And nothing down there. So there's no gaps from yesterday, but there is a gap from Friday down here. So that could be bottom of range. So yeah, so I think at the moment what's underway is this is a measured move that should play out. I was probably going to hit 183.107 at the moment, but you don't want to be jumping in up there. You would have wanted to be in sort of above this bar here. You could be at stop would be at entry now, and also you don't do that in the Asian session. Not enough volumes, so you need to wait for the European session. Anyway, also sitting on the sides there. I don't think it's worth chasing that to the upside just yet. Euro British pound. So we had down up day. So nothing really changed. We do have a bit of a crossover brewing here, but remember we do have strong weekly resistance ahead of us now as well. Oh, yeah, very difficult this one as well. You were swinging very high, we're swinging very far down and very far up. There's no real direction. It's just all over the place. So again, if you just get to the 15-minute, you'll see there was a strong move yesterday. Come back to some form of support, which was there. I think that one is still very much in play. And look at the oscillators here. You don't want to be trading it when it looks like this. So Yeah, I'm sit on hands for Forex today, believe it or not. So I don't see any opportunities that I want to get too excited about. Um, Even yesterday it wasn't, we had a pin bar here, but if I look left, pin bar off what? Yeah, even if we look at the hour, you see it's not exact. It's just all over the place. So anyway, I'm definitely sitting on the sides for Forex today. We'll wait and see what's transpiring. There is something brewing, I can see that, but what is brewing is a difficult one to ascertain. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.